Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup look featuring the Naked 3 palette. This is one of my favorite palettes and I haven't used it in a while, so I figured today would be a great day. Starting off with primer, this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just putting this on my nose just to smooth out my nose. I don't put this anywhere else, and this does an awesome job. Like, I feel like I have a whole brand new nose when I use it. And then for foundation, I am using the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. This was the second time that I tried it, and I do like it. I think it's a great lightweight foundation. It's light coverage, so you're not going to get a full coverage look with this. It feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't look cakey. I feel like it does kind of sink into my smile lines a little bit more than the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, but it is a good number 2 foundation. It's not an exact dupe for the Luminous Silk, but it's close. Here's Graham just making a scene because I'm not paying him any attention, so just enjoy him for a little bit, causing chaos as per usual. And that's Graham. I'm surprised he didn't knock down my shelf. He always tries to knock down the shelf. Now it's time for brows, and this is super boring, so boom, brows done. Now moving along to the eyeshadow. This is the Naked 3 palette. If you've never seen the Naked 3 palettes, are you living under a rock? No, I'm just kidding. It's really pretty. It has those like rosy, cooler tones. It's, you know, I love this like color scheme on my eyes, so I use this palette a lot. So I'm starting off with this light transition color. It's called Limit, just going back and forth in the crease and building the color up. If you guys can believe it, the Naked 3 eyeshadow tutorial that I have is still like one of my, well, is my most viewed video, and people still watch it to this day. Like on my Google Analytics, it's like one of my top videos is my Naked 3 daytime eyeshadow tutorial. I'll link it up if you guys want to see it, but I'm surprised people still watch it. There, I'm building up the crease, so I used Nooner, put it in the crease back and forth and in the outer V, and now I went into Factory just to deepen up the look even more, add some depth, and again in the crease and in the outer V. For the lid shade, I mixed, oh my god, this color is like almost off the palette. It's Burnout and Buzz. I just mixed both of them, put it right in the inner portion of my lids, and then I took some of Factory and just kind of blended those shimmer colors together. So no harsh lines here, guys. You guys know me. Blend, blend, blend. This eye, I went a little bit crazy. It's super messy, but you guys know I always clean up my edges with concealer, thank God. So don't fret. Here I took Strange, lightest color in the palette, highlighting right underneath my eyebrow. Great brow bone color. I love me a good brow bone color, guys. I can't help it. So today I used the Tarte Creaseless concealer, I think it's called. It's okay. It's a very thick consistency. I wouldn't say it's creaseless. It definitely was a little creasy, but it was okay. I need to try it again. I got this concealer in the Sephora VIB sale, so I wanted to try a new concealer, and like I said, this is okay. I also got the Hourglass one, and you know, nothing beats the Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. That's just my opinion. I'm setting my under eyes with the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder. Mine is in Satin Blanc, I think it's called. And then I'm finishing up the lower lash line, taking Factory and lining the outer third of my lower lash line. Obviously, I just said that. And then blending everything out with Nooner, that second transition color that I used. And then the most boring part, after brows, I feel like watching people put mascara on is just as boring. So I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is great to separate my lashes. And then I'm using the Essence False Lash Effect to add a little bit more volume and a little bit more like clumpiness, but a good clump, not a bad clump. Onto the face. For bronzer, I'm using the ALAMAR Cosmetics Complexion Trio in Fair to Light. I love this bronzer palette, guys. It is gorgeous. It looks so good on my skin. And the shades aren't like a flat matte. They have a nice sheen, so it doesn't make me look dry, and I have very dry skin. It just looks so, so pretty. I have hit pan on that middle shade, just so you guys know how much I love it. For blush today, this is a new blush to me. It's by Flower Beauty. It's called Sweet Pea, and it went perfectly with this eyeshadow. I was so happy that I purchased it. It looks gorgeous. For highlighter, I'm using the Maven Beauty Draped Up highlighter. Anytime I use a pinky or I do a pinky look, I always have to use this highlighter. It's like a pinky little highlighter. I love it. and it can be blinding if you put a little bit too much on. So just, you know, fair warning. For lips, you know, my lips are always a mess. Today I used Milani's Most Natural Lip Liner. I then used the Too Faced Melted Matte Lip Stick in my type. And then I topped it off with a little gloss by Milani. And that's it. This completes the look. It's so pretty. I think it is the perfect, like, soft glam look. It's not over the top, but it's not like an everyday look either. It's like, you know, just a soft glam. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments you'd like down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!